If you've ever looked up at a clear night sky and noticed a faint glowing band stretching across it, that is the Milky Way, our cosmic home. But the Milky Way is only one among billions of galaxies floating in the vastness of space. So, what exactly is a galaxy? How are galaxies formed? How many of them exist in the universe? And why do they matter so much for our existence? Let's journey beyond what our eyes can see, and explore a universe far larger than we ever imagined. A galaxy is a massive system of stars, planets, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. To make it easier to imagine, if a star is a brick, then a galaxy is an entire city built from hundreds of billions of those bricks. A typical galaxy contains billions to trillions of stars, millions of planets, star systems, neutron stars, black holes, nebulae, and large amounts of invisible dark matter. A galaxy isn't just a cluster of stars. It is a place where stars are born, and where life may begin. Every galaxy is its own world, with a unique history and evolution. A galaxy is not a solid object. It is a dynamic, complex system. Most galaxies include a galactic core, the densest region of stars, usually home to a supermassive black hole. B. Spiral arms, if present, regions with active star formation, filled with gas, dust, and bright nebulae. C. Galactic disk, a flat zone where stars orbit the center. D. Halo, a large, spherical region surrounding the galaxy. Contains ancient star clusters. E. Dark matter, invisible, but makes up most of the galaxy's mass. Prevents galaxies from spinning apart. Dark matter is the hidden glue of the cosmos. Galaxies come in many forms, but astronomers classify them into three major types. Keycap 1 spiral galaxies, disc-shaped with bright spiral arms, contain young, hot stars. Examples: Milky Way, Andromeda. Keycap 2 elliptical galaxies, oval or nearly spherical shape, little gas and dust right-pointing arrow. Few new stars, usually older and less active. Keycap 3 irregular galaxies, no clear shape, often formed by galaxy collisions. Shooting star 4, the Milky Way, our galactic home. The Milky Way is the galaxy that houses our solar system, and therefore, all of humanity. Some incredible facts. Contains 100 to 400 billion stars. Diameter: ~100.000 light years. Our Sun is located in a small spiral arm called the Orion Arm. At the center lies a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*. Just this one galaxy alone is so vast that light needs over 100.000 years to cross it from one side to the other. And it's only one galaxy among trillions. Telescope 5. How many galaxies are in the universe? Short answer: a lot. But how many is a lot? In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope took an image known as the Hubble Deep Field. capturing over 3.000 galaxies in a tiny patch of sky. In 2016, scientists estimated that the universe may contain over 2 trillion galaxies. And that number could still be an underestimation, because many galaxies are too faint or too far away for our current technology to detect. The deeper we look, the more galaxies we find. After the Big Bang, the universe was filled with hydrogen and helium gas. Over time, gravity pulled clumps of gas together. Stars formed. Star clusters formed. And eventually, galaxies were born. This process took hundreds of millions of years. And it still continues today. Galaxies move, rotate, and collide. For example, the Milky Way and Andromeda are rushing toward each other, and will collide in 4 to 5 billion years, merging into a new super galaxy. The cosmos is always changing. Because galaxies are the birthplaces of stars and planets, the factories that create heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, the origin of everything that makes life possible. Those elements are released when stars die, and eventually form new stars, new planets, and living beings. You and I are literally made from stardust born in ancient galaxies. Without galaxies, there would be no sun, no earth, no life. Despite decades of study, galaxies still hold many secrets. What is dark matter, the invisible mass holding galaxies together? How do supermassive black holes grow so fast? Why do some galaxies stop forming stars? Can galaxies die, and how? These questions drive scientists to build bigger, more advanced telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, to peer deeper into the cosmic past. The more we learn, the more mysteries appear. We often think Earth is big. We think the Sun is gigantic. But compared to galaxies, we are unbelievably small. One tiny planet, orbiting one ordinary star, sitting in one corner of a vast galaxy, which is just one among trillions more. This truth doesn't make us meaningless. It makes our existence miraculous. Because life emerged in this tiny corner of an enormous universe. Galaxies are not just star collections. They are cradles of life, archives of cosmic history, and engines of evolution for the universe. From our Milky Way to the trillions of galaxies beyond, each one is a miniature universe of its own, with billions of stories waiting to be uncovered. And perhaps, somewhere in another galaxy, a distant world is looking toward the Milky Way and wondering, is anyone out there?